Today I'm going to talk about RunwayML, a new AI-based video editing tool that can help you create professional quality videos without any prior experience. RunwayML is a cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to automate the tedious and repetitive aspects of video editing. This means you can focus on the creative aspects of your project, while RunwayML takes care of the technical details. Some of RunwayML's features include text-to-video editing. You can use RunwayML to create videos based on a simple text description. This is perfect for creating tutorials, how-to videos, or even short clips to share on social media. Video-to-video editing. You can use RunwayML to edit and re-edit existing videos. This is great for making small changes to a video, or for creating completely new videos from scratch. Multi-track video editing. RunwayML supports multi-track video editing, so you can easily add multiple layers of video, audio, and text to your projects. Keyframe animation. RunwayML supports keyframe animation, so you can create smooth and complex animations with ease. RunwayML is a powerful tool that can help you create professional quality videos with no prior experience. If you are looking for a way to improve your video editing skills, I recommend you take a look at RunwayML. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.